How to turn off active status on Facebook. Now, let's say you no longer want other people, including your friends and followers, to see if you are active online or active on Facebook. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to turn off your active status. Now, in order for you to turn off your active status, all you have to do is to go to your main menu right here and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. You just have to click on that and click on Settings. Once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see Audience and Visibility. On the lower part of that, you will be able to see Active Status right here. So you just have to click on that and make sure that you toggle this off or turn it off so that your friends and followers won't be able to see if you're active on your Facebook. So you just have to tap on turn off right here. And now you have turned off your active status. The downside of this is that you won't also be able to see your friend's active status. So that's how to turn off active status on Facebook. Hope we help.